everyone. This is Gabriel. I want to welcome you guys to an update. Okay, now I know it's been a while. Some of you guys haven't heard from me in a while. We've been upgrading our whole system, guys, and I'm very excited. In fact, I just want to get right into it. Let's go ahead and do the update. I'm actually going to do a public update. I don't normally do this. Normally, all of our updates are private because our network is private. But before I even get started, I want to first tell you guys about Win University, about all of the updates that's been taking place. Win University is finally here, guys. I've been talking about Win University for a long time, since 2018, guys. And it started off from the concept of the Forex Helper, Wise Investors Network. It's all in the ebook, okay? But enough of that right now. I want to go ahead and do this update. And if it sounds like I'm talking kind of fast, I am, because I want to get through as many of these updates as possible. I don't want these videos to be way too long, longer than necessary, okay? So let's go ahead and get right into it. Guys, you can see here this account, all right? Just like I always do, definitely, this is a Bitcoin account, okay? So this is in bits. If you guys have a US dollar account, we trade also for those who have different currencies. We just had someone that just signed up and they had a Chinese yuan account. So we're trading for them. And if you have any other currencies that you would like us to help you with, guys, you found the right place. But let's get right into the trades. Let's see how we did for this month. We collected, this is what we've collected on this account right here. And this is what we have right now. Now, let me explain to you what's going on just really quickly. This here, these accounts, these assets on this account have been held since March 31st. So you could just kind of think of it as April 1st if you want. But that's how long we've been holding this. Now, this particular account is based on the ebook, Easy Forex Trading. If you get that ebook, the strategy is in there. You can follow this. You can follow the strategy, follow the ebook, understand everything that's in there, be on the same page. Guys, I'm very excited. I just hear me out, guys. Check us out. Visit the website, theforexhelper.com. Join Win University. Become a member of Win University. And you'll be able to also make the same profits that you see here, okay? Also want to take time to talk about the updates, the current market value strategy and the current market movement strategies that I will be giving on a daily basis. I want you all to be a part of this. Those of you who are looking for a trial, well, guess what? We have our trial back up and running again. We have the 10 days trial and we also have a 30 days trial. Now the 10 days trial, it is free. So you can definitely check us out on that. Go to the website, hit the button that says 10 days free trial. Let me go there for you. I'm so excited, guys. I'm excited for so many different reasons, because not only do we have the trial available for the 10 days trial, but our team is just way more better than ever. So if you, in the past, you tried to get a 10 days trial in the past and you were unable to get a 10 days trial because the wait time was just so long, well, guess what? You don't have to worry about that anymore. We have business counselors. We have our account management team. Check us out. You click on the 10 days free trial. And once you click on the 10 days free trial, it will take you to one of our business counselors, guys. This is TJ, our business counselor. You're going to hear a lot. You're going to hear from him a lot, okay, online. So he's definitely going to be there to assist you. And if you still have more questions, visit us online on our website. Go to our chat, hit us up, hit support up. And guys, the team is phenomenal now. Okay, that's why I'm really excited, because now we're able to handle all the people that we get in our network. And now our network will be running a lot more smoothly. Okay? So, I'm going to go and do this update, guys. And so here we go. The daily financial market report. I know you guys remember this. I usually always blur this out, especially if it's going to be public on YouTube. But guess what? I don't need to do that anymore. Well, at least not on this, because this is like the grand opening of Win University online. So I will go over this report, and I may have to break it up into different parts. But once you get access to this report, you can get access to this report with the 10-day free trial or the 30-day free trial. Before I even show this report, let me talk about the 30 days free trial. Okay, the 30 days free trial is the winner's special. Go to the website, go to the first part of the website, the first page of the website. Let's go there real quick. And when you go to the website, the first page of the website, you're gonna scroll down and you're gonna see this. It's gonna say, so where do I start? Download the winner's starter pack to get started. Guys, download the winner's starter pack if you're not sure where to start. That's the best place to start. When you download the winner starter pack, it's going to give you all the information you're going to need in order to understand how everything works here at Win University, especially when it comes to the Forex. And if you're looking for other courses, we're going to have those available online as well. Some paid and some free. Okay? But if you don't know where to start, download the starter pack. All right. So, current market movement and current market value. Let's get right into it. The Forex market, guys, right now is very, very hot. That's another reason why I'm excited. The market is really hot right now. All right. And it really doesn't matter which direction the market goes. If the market is going up, we're going to give you the right signals. If the market is going down, we're going to give you the right signals. It really doesn't matter which direction the market goes, as long as you go in the right direction with the market. So we have both current market movement and current market value. So with current market value, that's a long-term strategy. It's more long-term. So that's more like 60 days. It's similar to what you just saw before when I first started this video in the other account. All right. So obviously that was way more than 60 days, but it still falls in that range with current market value. And that's what I teach in the ebook. And I actually give that strategy in the ebook for current market value. Now, current market movement, you'll be able to make your profit within the week. Okay. So place your trades early in the week, like today, which is a Monday. Now, normally we place our trades every Tuesday, so you still have time. If you're watching this video, you will still have time to make those trades. So get on board right now. And I will end this video on part 1. I'll continue on part 2. And I'll try to tone it down a little bit on part 2 because I'm like a little bit too excited. But hey, it's great because there are a lot of people in our network that need help. All right, especially now. Guys, we're living in a time where things are changing. It's the new digital era, and there's a lot I've been talking about, and there's more to come. So check us out. Go to the website www.theforexhelper.com and check out Win University presented by the Forex Helper. I'll see you on the other side. God bless.